Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for Dow Jones and Tech 100, all the markets trading in deep red. Those who watched my weekly analysis yesterday must be knowing by now why the markets are dropping, and that is what I had predicted in my weekly analysis shared yesterday and day before, that markets are appearing to be bearish and we might see a drop. But how far it could go, let's gonna have a look. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. This is my motivation to come up with better predictions and analysis. Those who are new to the channel, I share my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, that is UK 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, silver and crude oil and natural gas as well. So please like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's see Tech 100 right now trading at 15100, close to 15100, and with a 1.5% drop, and Wall Street, that is Dow Jones, trading below 34,000 at 33,960 levels. And let's start the day with Dow Jones first. Look at the Dow Jones chart. This is a 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart you can find that now see, this is on the 3-hour chart. You can see consistent red. I am not going to say about indicators, but you can clearly see. Let me draw it more clearly. So see, this was the zone in which it was bouncing. Then if it broke, massively, and this is what it has created. And now it is trying to hit somewhere here at around 33,900 zone. Maybe it will try to go past 33,900 levels, and from there we might see a little bounce back, because by now all the indicators must be are almost in the case of oversold. So once we see oversold, a little bounce back is what we could expect, that there is a little bounce back at the time of US cash market. But before that it might hit 33,900. That is what we can expect. Now look at this 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, I'm going to tell you something very interesting. See this previous candle, and from 34,300 to 34,100, 200 points, 34,200 to 34,200 points. Now here it is almost started it has almost started at 34 080 levels, 070 levels, and hence we can expect it to go past this level at 34,900. So somewhere we can expect that it might hit 34,880 levels, 33,880 levels, sorry for this, 33,880 levels. That could be the low for the day, and from there we might see a bounce back. So this is the low for the day which I am expecting. Now look at the hourly chart. On an hourly chart, this is a different scenario. On the hourly chart, see, there is a base which has been created, and after that we must see successive red candles. And also if you look at this, so this is a winding triangle, and I expect, see, there could be 33,880, and then 34,050, 34,050, 33,880. This is what we can expect, that this might trade between 34,050, 34,100 to 33,880 levels today, and we might see a retracement also further to that. But we have to be very watchful here, that how it's going to behave, because markets may turn volatile, as the VIX, the volatility is already trading quite high on the 30 minutes candle. Also it is appearing the same. And if you look at the daily charts, so now coming back to the most crucial candle, look at the daily charts. This was consolidating in this zone, and in my weekly analysis I had told that we might be looking to somewhere here. Now when we say somewhere here, this is the level which I was looking to, 33,000. See again, this is 34,000 was the 61.8% retracement level from on the Fibonacci. If you look at this number, this is the 34,042,024 was the 61.8% retracement. Now how far this could go, at least this, if it sustains below this, we might see 33,643 in near future. But today at least 33,880, 870 levels should provide a stronger support, and it might trade between 34050 or 34100 levels to 34870 levels. But these are markets, anything is possible. A drop, further drop is also equally likely existent, and we cannot deny that. Let's have a look at the indicators. Indicators on the daily chart are markets on the bearish tone right now, trading below all the Bollinger Bands, daily Bollinger Band. One more thing, see this crossover on has happened here. This is called 20-day and 50 day moving average crossover. It indicates there is a strong bearishness in the market, and that is what I had shared in my weekly analysis as well. All the indicators are quite bearish. See, this is the true range is almost hitting a high. It means the much of movement we can see, but see the daily price oscillator is almost hitting a bottom in oversold region, and on the daily charts this is also stochastic is also hit an oversold region, and hence maybe whatsoever possible drop we could see today itself. Also look at the RSI. The RSI is also hitting a bottom here, and hence maybe a drop till 33960 by tomorrow, 33900, maybe 33600 by tomorrow, and then we can see a rise later in the week. But by that time it would be too late for a good rise. Now same thing, let me tell you similar way the indicators here. So looking at this, I'll be looking somewhere between, let me give you the range, 34870. This is going to be my support number today, and we might be getting some support from here till the time 34970, again another support number which we might be looking forward to. After that it is going to hit see, right now we are so much into 35 zone that I am forgetting that we are in now 33s. And if you look at 33870, this is going to give you a stronger support. After that 33970, this is another support level. Beyond that I will be expecting 34060. So this range between 34060 to 33870 going to be a stronger zone for me. If it retraces, we might hit 34060, and beyond that we might see 150 levels also. So 34150, this is the, if you recall this number 34150, this was the stronger resistance when we saw it crossing beyond 34 number. Same was there, 34 to 35 also similar number was existent. So now also 34150 levels should provide a resistance for any upward move. At the same time, if it breaks 33870, we are definitely going to hit 33643 level by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We are going to hit it. So you can trade accordingly. I will expect it to trade between 34870 to 33870 to 34150 levels, possibly 33870 to 34150, and beyond is can also be expected on Dow Jones. This is all from my side, and now let's move towards Nasdaq Tech 100. Right now trading at close to 15100 levels. If you look closely to 15100 levels, see here. Now see, for Tech 100, this level 15094 is going to be a stronger support level. It has got already close to that. It has got already close to 15100, and that is what I can say, that it might try to achieve this level and bounce back. And how far this could bounce back? It could bounce back again towards 15200 levels. So 15200 to 15100, this is one expectation, but we have to look closely towards 4-hour charts. If you look at the 4-hour candle, see, this is going to be, if you look at the previous candle, almost 15240 to 1590 points, and now again 15170 to 15080 levels. This 15090 and 15080 levels should be the stronger support, and hence it might try to trade between this 15080 to 15190 levels, 170 levels. On the 4-hour chart we might see it range bound between these. Now look at the 3-hour charts. The candle size is consistently increasing. You can see this candle is already beyond the body size is almost beyond the previous candles, and hence we might be looking forward to somewhere here 15,080,090 levels to 15,160, 170, which might give it a good support. 15,080,090 should give it a good support, and beyond that we might see a bounce back again towards 15,210. So this is the range which we might expect Tech 100 to trade. Now look at this on the 2 hour chart. We don't see that it is going to go past. See, this candle is definitely going to be bigger, and after that the next candle which is going to appear, I will be very cautiously watching it. If it bounces back here from this level, a flat opening, definitely it will hit 15,170, 160 levels, and maybe beyond that, if it goes, then 15,210 cannot be denied. So looking at different time frames, looking at the chart size, now look at the candle size. We have already seen the previous candle, which was almost 15,600, 15,550 to 15,300, 250 points. Now today if you see 15,350 to 15,100, almost 250 points, the candle is almost done. The size of the candle which was the previous, so almost this move is done. Maybe now it will try to trade between 15,320 to 15,100 levels. So the resistance level will come into picture at 15,100, 15,200 and 15,320 levels. Now looking at the indicators here. Now look at the indicators below Bollinger Bands, below 50-day moving average, below 20-day moving average, but above 100-day moving average. That is interesting. But yes, still there is bearishness, and we might see some resistance coming into picture at around 15,220 levels, and hence 15,220, I think it should see. But today again we will be seeing 15,220 levels. Now look, the oscillator has entered into a sell zone. The stochastic is already trading at bottom, and the MACD are on sell side. RSI is also trying to hit into oversold position. Look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, almost all the indicators are in oversold position, and hence we might see a little bounce back. But how far this could go, let me try to give you the levels here. So here 15,080 or 090, I am just taking a 10 points cushion. 15,080 should provide a support here. Then after that it is 15,150, rather I will say 15,080, then 15,130. You recall this number, 15,130? This is the number around which it was consolidating since quite a long time. For 4 weeks or so it is consolidated around this level, and then the breakout happened. Now after 15,130 I will be expecting 15,210. Beyond that I don't think so, but yes, beyond that 15,260 levels can be achieved, and 320 is always there. So if it bounces back, it can bounce back till towards 15,320 levels. On the downside, 15,080 should provide a support, else if it breaks, it is definitely going to touch 15,020 levels. So I will expect Tech 100 to trade between 15,080 to 15,210, and maybe 15,020 if it touches. Definitely it will try to bounce back towards 15,210 levels, and maybe then the drop can continue tomorrow. Else if it closes today with a drop, possibly we might see a rise again tomorrow. So this is all from my side on Dow Jones and Tech 100. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. I need your support. At least please share it across with your friends, family and network, and do join the premium channel on Telegram. The links are mentioned in the description. Definitely you can benefit from the links in the description and joining the Telegram channel. You can also join my mentorship course. The batch 6 is going to start soon, and you can become an independent trader. I can assure you, you can read the testimonials from the previous students, and people are now trading on their own. So if you want to become an independent trader, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.